Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into something absolutely game-changing. Claude Design by Anthropic. If you've ever struggled with creating beautiful designs, mockups, or prototypes, this video is for you. Claude Design is revolutionizing how we approach visual design using AI. In this video, I'll show you what Claude Design is, how it works, its key features, and some real-world examples. So let's get started. So what exactly is Claude Design? Claude Design is an AI-powered design assistant that's part of the Claude ecosystem. It combines Anthropic's powerful language model with design capabilities to help you create visual content through natural language. Think of it as having a professional designer who understands exactly what you want just by describing it in plain English. The beauty of Claude Design is that it bridges the gap between your ideas and visual execution. No more wrestling with complex design tools. Just describe what you need and Claude brings it to life. Now let's talk about the features that make Claude Design so powerful. First up, natural language interface. You can describe your design in plain English. Want a modern landing page? Just ask. Need a mobile app mockup? Describe it. Second, multiple design types. Claude Design can create web interfaces, mobile mockups, data visualizations, infographics, presentation slides, and even interactive prototypes. Third, instant iteration. Don't like something? Just tell Claude what to change. It's like having a design conversation rather than manually adjusting pixels. Fourth, code generation. Claude doesn't just show you pictures. It generates actual HTML, CSS, and React code that you can use in your projects. And finally, design best practices. Claude incorporates UI/UX principles automatically, ensuring your designs look professional and function well. Let me break down how Claude Design actually works behind the scenes. Step 1. You provide a design brief in natural language. For example, create a dark-themed dashboard for a fitness app with charts showing workout progress. Step 2. Claude analyzes your request, understanding both the functional requirements and aesthetic preferences. Step 3. It generates the design using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, following modern design principles like responsive layouts, accessibility, and visual hierarchy. Step 4. You get an interactive preview that you can test and refine. Don't like the color scheme? Just ask Claude to change it. The whole process takes seconds, not hours. That's the power of AI-assisted design. Let's look at a real example. Say I want to create a landing page for a SaaS product. I would tell Claude, create a modern landing page for a project management tool. Include a hero section with a call to action, feature section with icons, and a pricing table. Use a gradient background. And here's what Claude generates: a fully functional landing page with a compelling hero section with gradient background, clean typography and spacing, feature cards with icons, a responsive pricing table, all fully coded and ready to deploy. The best part? If I want to change the color scheme or adjust the layout, I just tell Claude and it updates instantly. Another powerful use case is data visualization. Let's say you have sales data and want to present it beautifully. You can ask Claude, create an interactive dashboard showing quarterly sales data with a line chart and bar chart. Use blue and green colors. Claude will generate an interactive visualization with smooth animations, hover effects for better interactivity, responsive design that works on all devices, clean, professional styling. This is perfect for presentations, reports, or web applications. So where can you actually use Claude Design? Let me share some real-world scenarios. For startups, create MVP interfaces without hiring a designer. Test different design concepts quickly. For developers, generate UI components while you focus on back-end logic. No more struggling with CSS. For marketers, build landing pages, email templates, and promotional materials without design software. For educators, create interactive learning materials, presentations, and course content. For product managers, quickly prototype features and communicate design ideas to teams. The possibilities are truly endless. Now, let's be real about what Claude Design excels at and where it has limitations. Advantages: speed. Create designs in seconds, not hours. Accessibility: no design skills required. Cost-effective: no expensive design software needed. Iterative: easy to refine and adjust. Code-ready: get production-ready code immediately. Limitations: best for web-based designs rather than print. May require refinement for highly specific brands guidelines. Works best with clear, detailed descriptions. Complex custom illustrations might need human touch. But overall, the advantages far outweigh the limitations for most use cases. Let me share some pro tips to get the best results from Claude Design. Tip 1. Be specific. Instead of make a website, say create a minimalist portfolio website with dark theme, large hero image, and grid-based project gallery. Tip 2. Mention design style. Reference styles like modern, minimalist, glassmorphism, brutalist, or even reference specific brands. Tip 3. Specify colors. Mention color preferences or schemes. Claude understands color theory. Tip 4. Iterate gradually. Make one change at a time for better control over the final result. Tip 5. Ask for explanations. You can ask Claude why it made certain design choices. Great for learning. And there you have it, a complete guide to Claude Design. We've covered what it is, how it works, its amazing features, real examples, and practical tips. This tool is genuinely transforming how we approach design. Whether you're a developer, entrepreneur, marketer, or just someone with creative ideas, Claude Design empowers you to bring those ideas to life visually. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI tool tutorials. Drop a comment below telling me what you'd like to design with Claude. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep creating.